Thanks a lot, sir. I would now request Mr. C.S. Prasad to please receive a token of thanks from the Honorable Convener of Engineering Excellence Awards, Sri Sushil sir. Sir, the awardees would love to hear a few words of encouragement from you, please.
Honorable MP Sir, Sri S.K. Singh ji, dignitaries on the dais and august gathering in the house. First of all, I thank the Engineering Watch to have organized such a decent opportunity for selecting Engineering Excellence Awards from all walks of engineering and pan-India scene. This is a wonderful gathering of the national achievements in the past few years over various fields of engineering, where we had many projects of power projects, many building projects, and even multiple roti making machine. So we had Rudra, helicopter, and whatnot. So right from any field of engineering, we think it was mostly covered over here. So engineering have been given a recognition today in this gathering, and the people who have put their hard work into it, they have been suitably awarded. India had been having this tradition right from many ancient and Puranic age, when we know that Vishwakarma, Lord Vishwakarma is the symbol of engineering, and Puranic recognition is to him. In a single day time he could build castles, and our friends have constructed G+20 in 4 months time with prefab. This is wonderful achievement in today's scenario. This will go a long way to solve the current challenges before the country. And myself being at the moment I am president in Indian Building Congress and very much concerned for the built environment problems, challenges, solutions, and concerned for the engineering as a profession, and I am also addressing various branches, various other professions who are concerned with the built environment, architects, builders, vendors, suppliers, all together. So Engineering Watch is giving a good coverage, and they are also thinking for the students and teaching, because teaching is the seed. So it is overall this perspective of Engineering Watch. This is my first exposure with them, and I have just by accident I came across with them. I got their email and I responded, and Devang, since then Devang is had been in touch with me, and I am thankful to him. I am working here itself, so it was very convenient for me to come over here and witness. I congratulate all the participants and all those who have received awards, and I also give the message that please don't consider to be the end here. This is your beginning. You think of more innovations, more of problem solutions, and forget China or other country. We can build anything with our indigenous efforts. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir, for your encouraging words. I would now